Okay, good morning students for class 10. Today I have come with the new chapter that is voice. Okay, so my dear students, at first I am going to teach you what is voice. Okay, so let's know my dear students. The action which is done by the subject either actively or passively is called voice. यानी कि कर्ताद्वारा कुनै पनि काम सक्रिय रूपमा वा निष्क्रिय रूपमा हुन्छ भन्ने बोध गराउनुलाई voice भनिन्छ है. There are two kinds of voice. They are active voice and passive voice. Okay. So right now I am going to tell you what is active voice. Okay. The action which is done by the subject actively is called active voice. For example, I like Rosie. I love her. Ram killed Ravan. Okay, etc. Right now, let's go ahead and let's know what is passive voice. Passive voice. The action which is done by the subject passively is called passive voice. Example: I am liked by Rosie. Right now, I am going to teach you how to make from AB to PB. Ram killed Ravan. Ravan was killed by general structure number 1 states that at first the object of active voice becomes subject in the passive voice. B. Take auxiliary verb according to new subject. According to the new subject. Write main verb in past participle form. At last, the subject becomes object in the passive voice. In front of which take preposition by our appropriate ones. Okay, my dear students, I think that you all have written up to here. Okay, so right now I am going to teach you how to make passive tense wise. Okay, let's go ahead. Tense wise change. Simple present. Active voice formula is subject plus V1, V5 plus object. Passive voice formula is object becomes subject, after that M is R plus V3 plus by plus subject becomes object. Okay, so subject plus V1 V5 plus object. In passive voice, object becomes subject is MR plus V3 plus by plus subject becomes object. Example: Rosie loves me. Rosie loves me. I am loved by Rosie. Now let's go in present continuous tense. Active voice, subject plus M is R plus V4 plus object. Passive voice, object becomes subject, M is R, being plus V3 by subject becomes object. Example: they are calling me. Passive voice, I am being called by them. Okay, now let's go ahead in present perfect tense. AV subject plus have has plus V3 plus object. Passive voice, object becomes subject, have has plus been V3 by subject becomes object. Example: Sita has bought a car. Passive is a car has been bought by Sita. Let's go ahead in present perfect continuous tense. Active voice structure is subject plus have has plus been plus V4 plus object. Passive voice is no change. Sita has been writing a story. Passive voice, no change. Okay, my dear students, let's go ahead in simple past tense. Simple past tense. Active voice structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Passive voice structure is object becomes subject plus was were plus V3 plus by plus subject becomes object. Sita wrote a story. A story was written by Sita. Okay. Now let's go ahead in past continuous tense. Active voice structure is subject plus was were plus V4 plus object. Passive voice structure is object becomes subject, was were plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject becomes object. Sita was writing a story. A story was being written by Sita. Okay. Now let's go ahead in past perfect tense. perfect tense. AV. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. PV. Object becomes subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by. Subject becomes object. Sita had bought a car. A car had been bought by Sita. Let's go ahead in past perfect continuous tense. Active voice structure is subject plus had plus been plus before plus object. Passive voice structure is no change. Sita had been writing a story. Passive voice, no change. Now let's go ahead in simple future tense. Simple future tense. AV is subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object. PV. Object becomes subject plus shall will plus B plus V3 plus by. Subject becomes object. Sita will write a story. A story. A story will be written by Sita. Now let's go ahead in future continuous tense. Here subject plus shall will plus be plus V4 plus object. Passive voice, no change. Sita will be writing a story. No change. Now let's go ahead in future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. active voice structure is subject plus shall, will plus have plus V3 plus object. Passive voice structure is object becomes subject, shall, will plus have plus been V3 by subject becomes object. Sita will have bought a car. Sita will have bought a car. A car will have been bought by Sita. A car will have been bought by Sita. Now last, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. AVS structure is subject plus shall, will plus have plus been plus V4 plus object. Passive voice structure is no change. No change. Okay. Sita will have been writing a story. Okay. No change. Passive voice is no change. Okay, my dear students. Thank you. Only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in next class.